Very good morning, students. Welcome to Gyan Manjari Vidyapit Mahua online digital platform. As you know, I am your science teacher Vatsal Trivedi, or today we are discussed about the biology unit number 2, day 13. So, before we start today's topic, let us solve some practice question regarding to some previous topic. So, the question number 12.2 on your supplementary book SB14. How do animals adapt to the mountains region? So first, the animal adapt the mountains regions through the large lungs in a yak. It is helps to breathing at the high altitudes. Next one is thick hair of yak. So it keeps the yak warm in the low temperature. Third one, strong horns of the mountain goat. It helps the mountain goat run up and down the rocky slopes. And the fourth one, thick fur of mountain goat keeps goat warm in the low temperature. Next, 12.4, what kind of plant adaptation can be seen in the mountains? So first, sloping branch. This is allows to the snowfall of the branches and not collect of them. Next one is a thin needle like the leaves. The snow does not collect on the leaves. And the next is the trees are usually short in height to avoid harsh winds. And the stems extend the beneath of the ground to the store food for the harsh winter. Same it is. Now let us discuss the features and adaptation in a grassland habitat. ग्रासलैंड्स के अंदर किस तरह से एनिमल्स हैबिटेट्स होते हैं. सो गैस द नेम ऑफ दीज हैबिटेट. सो यू कैन से दैट सर दिस इज द ग्रासलैंड हैबिटेट. ग्रासलैंड हैबिटेट के फीचर्स क्या क्या होता है. फीचर्स ऑफ द ग्रासलैंड हैबिटेट्स. Grasslands receives the very little rainfall. They are quite dry and they are mainly flat with the new few trees. Animals found in the grasslands are called zebras, bears, lions, etc. So how are the animals adapted to the live in a grasslands habits? So first, in a adaptation in a lions have a long claws to the grab and hold their prey. They are a light brown color to the hide from their prey easily. They comfortable sorry conflage in their surroundings. Lions can live up to 4 days without the water as the availability of water in a grasslands low. तो वो बिना पानी पिए 4 दिन निकाल सकता है. Next is many animals hunt in the dark as it is the cooler at night. Adaptation in a deer. So deer have a strong teeth to chew on hard plant stems that are found in grasslands. तो उसके पास ऐसे दांत होते हैं जिसकी मदद से वो काफी स्ट्रॉन्ग स्टेम्स, जो हार्ड प्लांट स्टेम्स होते हैं, उसको भी वो चबा सकते हैं. They having ears to hear the movements of the predators because there is not much space to hide. Their eyes are placed inside their heads so that can see all direction. They are run very fast to escape the predators because there is no place to hide. Now, plants found in a grasslands. So, how are plants adapt to live in a grasslands habitats? The umbrella-shaped topped the Asian trees helps to absorbing the maximum sunlight so that photosynthesis can take place. They have a tiny leaves to minimize the water loss as it is a very hot in a grasslands. Trees have a deep roots underground to the maximize water absorption. उसके जो रूट्स होते हैं वो काफ़ी ज़मीन के अंदर तक जाते हैं, so उसकी वजह से वो मैक्सिमम वाटर एब्जॉर्प्शन कर सकता है. So let us summarize. Long claws to grab and hold their prey, ability to survive up to 4 days without the water, strong teeth chew and hard plants, long ears hear the movements of the predators, eyes on the sides of the head to see in the all direction. Next, umbrella shaped top to the absorb maximum sunlight, tiny leaves to minimize water loss, deep roots underground to the maximize water of adaptation in a plant grasslands. Next, practice question number 13. How is the deer adapt to the grasslands? Explain. So we can write like this. The deer adapt the grasslands in a various ways. For example, eyes on side of the face help the deer see the better in case a predator is nearby. So first we can write by the adaptation of eyes. Then we can write by the adaptation of skin color. So skin color helps to the deer blend into the grass and makes the harder for the predator to stop it. And last we are right about the adaptation of legs. So here we can write strong legs helps to the deer run fast in case of attack of the predator. Now the next question is practice question number 13.3. How is the lion adapt to the grasslands? Explain. So here we can write like this point wise. Lions have a long claws to the grab and hold their prey. They are light brown color to hide from their prey easily, and lions can live without the water 4 days because there is a leak of the water in a grasslands. So first we are right about the adaptation of players, adaptation of skin color, and the last one is adaptation of living on less water about the lion habitats. Now same it is for the example of एडेप्शन इन ग्रासलैंड्स. यहाँ पे एनिमल और प्लांट के अंदर हमको 13.4 के अंदर लिखना है. सो यू कैन राइट लाइक दिस. mainly flat with tall grasslands and a few trees and in a water line little rainfall or a dry, and temperature is a very hot and dry. Example of an adaptation in the plants: lions are a light brown in a color to the hide from their prey, and lions can live without water for 4 days. And many animals hunt like the dark is cooler that night. And then example of an adaptation in plants. So first we can write uh, Acacia tree have a deep roots underground and a maximize water absorption. It have a tiny leaves to the minimize water loss and have a umbrella shaped top to absorb the maximum sunlight. So today we are discussed on your SB16 द लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स एंड हैबिटेट्स वाले चैप्टर के अंदर कॉन्सेप्ट टाइम नंबर 15 हमने सॉल्व किया है, द ग्रासलैंड्स हैबिटेट्स। तो ग्रासलैंड्स हैबिटेट्स के अंदर हमने काफ़ी सारी चीज़ देख ली है जो आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो। देन आफ्टर वी आर सॉल्विंग सम मोस्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस some more questions in practice question number 13. So which question, those questions which are solved in this video, you have to write in your fair book with the proper handwriting, and they click the photos of the all question that we are discuss here and submit as a homework. It is a compulsory for all of you. Then today also we are see the question number 13.3 on your practice question number 13 on SP17 that you are seen in this video. So first you have to write this question directly in your table which are available in your SB book. And tomorrow we are discuss about the ocean habitat और aquatic habitat, उसके बारे में हम देखेंगे. So you have to read concept time number 16 as your homework also. Okay, so if any types of doubts regarding to these points, so you have to ask anytime. I will definitely solve your doubt. So now today we are stop here, and we will meet with the new science in a concept time number 16. So अभी के लिए stay happy, stay home, bye bye, thank you very much. To be continued in next video. Bye bye. Fun with science, enjoy the science.